Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to change your Instagram phone number. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Instagram and after that open the app and after that go and click on your profile picture on the bottom right of the screen. After that go and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that click on account center. After that go to profiles and personal details and wait a little bit. After that go to the bottom of the screen, click on contact info and click on add a new contact and click add mobile number. And as you can see here, you have the place to enter a new mobile phone in the top of the screen. And by adding that new mobile number, of course, you should select your Instagram profile here. By adding the new number, you will replace your actual phone number. And that's it. Of course, after that, you click next and you enter the verification code, and that's it. You will replace your Instagram phone number. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.